once they heard singing. The angel Gabriel suddenly appeared before them. The shepherds were terrified. The angel said, "Fear not, for I will bring you tidings of great joy. Jesus, our Savior, is born this very night in Bethlehem." The shepherds left their sheep and went to Bethlehem. There they found Jesus, and out before him. Everyone, a very Merry Christmas and dreams of peace on earth. Goodwill to all. Spread the good news! Jesus is born! Daddy, I'm sprinkling the reindeer for the reindeer can know where we live.
All right, let's go do it.
All right. There.
Oh, wow, it sparkles.
Huh? All right, open one.
It's Christmas morning.
No. We have to sleep.
Okay, night-night.
And Santa's getting really presents.
He's gonna bring you presents?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow, are you excited?
Annabelle, we got toys and stockings.
Okay.
I told God.
Whoa, thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Santa. Let's pretend we're the other penguins too. I have wonderful.
Here, let me take a picture of all this.
Oh, and I have chocolate reindeer food. Now,